My name is Mike Slogar, and I'm the Vice President of Operations for Enpress LLC. We are a manufacturer of composite pressure vessels used primarily in the water treatment industry today.
Our big goal is to keep families safe. Obviously, you're drinking water, so you want it to be clean, clear, healthy for you, but as well, people forget that they're washing their dishes, their clothes, they're taking showers, inhaling the vapor and the steam. So our goal is that from the moment the water enters your house, it's clean, it's sanitized, it's disinfected, so that you and your family stay safe.
Some of the challenges we're facing is being a small company, we have the same amount of needs as a large company, but with less resources. Epicor is being used from the front office all the way through production, receiving, and shipping, from order entry to cash receipts. Epicor ERP version 10 is going to allow us to do more with less. There's so many things that you can use now that you didn't have the ability to use before, like the BAQs. It's easier to use, the functionality, in comparison to 9. Epicor 10 has given us the mobility to walk around with a tablet and schedule machines. It's given us an hour back of time for our supervisors to apply their time in other places.
It helps me manage my inventory a lot better than I did pre-Epicor days, shall we say. That all rolls into cash flow, which helps me manage my cash, which lowers my interest expense to the bank and keeps more money in my boss's pocket. Those are all good things.
Epicor 10 is going to allow us to collaborate within the system now, instead of having to go through and track emails and find things that they could have deleted. With that being with Epicor Social, I've seen some of the features that some of the things that it can do, and we're really excited.
So if I have the ability to log in, access the information without ever having to bother anybody, whether it's 2 a.m. in Northeast California or 9 p.m. here in Ohio, I can get what I need without having to necessarily ask anybody else or having to communicate with anybody else on the team.
Any other company that's considering going to version 10, I would definitely tell them to go for it. The process is pretty simple. It takes a fraction of the time. We used to have to hire consultants to come in and help us out with it, and it would take an entire weekend. The migration process for me took me literally 56 minutes, I think, to run the migration, and then I had to copy over some of the files, and that was about it. It was one of the simplest migration processes I've been a part of.
Epicor is set up in our facility that we can begin adding product lines and businesses to grow our business, exponentially, without having any IS issues.
Epicor allows us to grow. Epicor has been growing with our company. When I first started out, we had 3 data collection users. Now we're up to 7. So, we've grown. As we've been growing with Epicor.
The whole water industry is pretty small, but the thing that sets us apart from everyone else is that we've been here since the beginning. Our heritage in the water industry has started generations ago, back in the 50s. So with being innovative in our products, we try to be innovative with how we make our products and how we push our business forward. So Epicor is a big part of that, because if we can integrate that into our total business system, then why wouldn't we push forward?